Yeah, dear student, today we will continue with our chapter 14 depreciation, and today we are going to solve one comprehensive numerical practical question number 14. So here the balances of machinery account has been given to us is 80,000 and the balance of provision for depreciation given to is 36,000. Now read the numerical. On 1st April 16 they decided to sell a machine for 8700. This machine was purchased for 16,000 in April 12. Prepare the provision for depreciation account and machinery account 31st March 17, assuming that the firm has been charging depreciation at the rate 10% per annum on a straight line method. So method is SLM, rate of depreciation is 10%. So 1 for 16 they sell a machine for 87 and this machine was purchased on 1st April 12 for 16,000. So as usual machine is purchased on April 12 and sold in April 16. So we have to make working notes from the previous year. So make a working note over here. Value of machine as on 1 for 12 is 16,000 less depreciation at the rate 10%, 1600. So that is 14,400. Value of machine as on 1 for 13. Again less that at the rate 10%, 1600, 12,800. Value of machine as on 1 for 14. Less than at the rate 10% for this year. That is 11,600, 1 for 15. Okay. Less than at the rate 10%, 1600. As we are following straight line method, so an amount of depreciation will remain uniform every year. Clear? So value of machine as on 1 for 16 is 9,600. Here it has been sold. So less sold for 8,700. So 8,700 is cash received. And 900 is your loss occurred on sale. So loss on sale is 900 and cash received is 8700. See the amount of total depreciation charge, that is TDC. TDC is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total depreciation charge is 6,400. That comes under your PFD, provision for depreciation. Clear? Now see how to pass journal entry. So bank account debit, provision for depreciation account debit, profit and loss account debit, to machine account. Clear? To machine account. So see how much money is received, 8,700, that will come in the bank column. Provision for debt, that is total depreciation charge 6,400 and loss on sale 9,400. Clear? Here write down the narration being the machinery sold. Clear? Now your all accounts working notes have been prepared. Now we are going to make machinery account and provision for depreciation account. Clear? You can also draw a laser in your register and see how to prepare it. So dear student, I have prepared machinery account. Now we are going to post the entries. Clear? So 2017, in my book it is 2017 because it's a last year. If in your book it is 2018 and 19, write that. No problem. 2016 April 1 to balance VD. So as I told you, the machine which you are going to sell, write it as A and the remaining balance shall be write as B, 64,000. So total of machinery account is 80,000. Okay? Now on the same date we have sold the machine. Okay, so I have already passed the journal entries and you have to do the posting of that journal entry. 2017 April 1. So by bank account, how much amount you have received from the sale of machine? That is 8700. By provision for depreciation account, that is 6400. And by profit and loss account. Clear? Here in the bracket you can write loss on sale, that is 900. Clear? Now the posting has been done, as there has been nothing to show, no other machinery has been purchased. Clear? So close the account. 2018 March 31st. Clear? Buy balance CD, that is D balance 64,000. Total is 80,000. Clear? So your machinery account has been prepared. So close it. Machinery account has been prepared. Now close it. Now we are going to prepare provision for depreciation account. See, our provision for depreciation account has been prepared. Clear? Now we are going to make a transfer entry. So 2016 April 1, buy balance BD. Balance given to us for provision for depreciation is 36,000. Write it over here. Clear? Now from this balance we are going to transfer the balance to machinery account. So 2017 April 1 to machinery account. Clear? Total depreciation charge 6400. So that will come over here 6400. Clear? Now for this B machinery we are going to charge the depreciation. So 2018 March 31st, by DAP account. Clear? 10% of 64,000 is 6400. Clear? Make a total of 42,400. Balance the same on this side. 2018 March 31st to balance CD. So that comes to 36,000. So total is 42,400. So your provision for depreciation account has been prepared. In this way you are supposed to solve these type of numerical. Clear? Today we are going to solve one more numerical. See that it's question number 16. How to solve that? Okay, see question number 16. Here the balance is given to us of machinery account. It's 5 lakh. 5 lakh as on 1/4/18. PFD, provision for depreciation account. Balance is 2,25,000. 2,25,000. Okay. Now, on 1st October 2018, on 1/10/18, they sold a machine. They sold a machine for 42,000. They sold a machine for an amount of 42,000, which was purchased on 1st July 1715 for rupees 1 lakh. Clear? On 1st July 15 it was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. Okay. And on the same date new machinery was purchased for 2 lakh. Okay. And on 1/10/18 another machine purchased for 2 lakh. No problem. Okay. Now as this machine was purchased on 1st July 15, we have to make calculation from back date as usual. So method of charging depreciation is LM, SLM, and rate of depreciation is 10%. Okay, no problem. So as usual we are going to make working notes. So value of machine as on 1st July 15, what is the value of machine is 1 lakh. Clear? Less depreciation at the rate 10%. So here machinery is purchased on 1st July, so we are going to charge depreciation for 9 months only. 1 lakh into 10% into 9/12. So that comes to 7,500. Amount is 92,500. Clear? Value of machine as on 1/4/16. Again less than at the rate 10% for 1 full year now. So 10,000. 82,500. Value of machine as on 1/4/17. Again depth of this year 10,000. 72,500. Value of machine as on 1/4/18. Clear? Now this machinery is sold on October 18. So again we will provide depreciation for 6 months. So less than at the rate 10% for 6 months. So that comes to 5,000. 67,500. Value of machine as on 1/10/18. Clear? Now here this machinery has been sold. So less sale 42,000. 42,000 is the cash receipts. So 25,500 is loss on sale. Okay, this is your loss on sale of machine. Now you can pass the journal entry. So bank account debit. How much amount is received? 42,000. Okay, now see the value of total depreciation charge. TDC 10, 10, 20, 25 and plus 7,500. So 32,500. Okay, bank account debit. Provision for depreciation debit 32,500. Profit and loss account debit 25,500. Clear? To machine account 1 lakh. So write down the narration being the machinery sold. Clear? So in this way you have to make the working notes. Clear? Now we are going to prepare the laser, same machinery account and provision for depreciation account. So you can also draw provision machinery account and provision for depreciation account laser in your register. Now see our machinery account has been prepared. Now we are going to post the entries. So 2018 April 1 to balance BD. As usual, the machinery which we are going to sell is to write as A 1 lakh, clear, and on B 4 lakh, clear. So total is 5 lakh. Now this machinery is been going to solve on October 18. So 2018 October 1 by bank account. How much amount we have received? 42,000. By provision for depreciation account 32,500. By profit and loss account, sorry, 42,000. Profit and loss account 25,500. Clear? Now your machinery has been sold, and on the same date one more machinery has been purchased, October 1 to bank account 2 lakh. Clear? Now as there has been nothing, no other machinery has been purchased and then anything, so we are going to close machinery account 2019 March 31st by balance CD. Clear? So now we are having two more machine. First is B 4 lakh and C new purchase machine 2 lakh. Total is 6 lakh. Make a total over here 7 lakh. Now our machinery account has been prepared. Now we are going to close it and will make a provision for depreciation account. Clear? Now our provision for depreciation account is ready. Now we will do the posting 2018 April 1 by balance BD. Balance given to us is 2,25,000. Now machinery has been sold in October, so we will provide depreciation for 6 months by debt account 5,000. Clear? Now the total depreciation will be transferred to machinery account from July 15 to October 18. So 2018 October 1 to machinery account. What is the total PFD? 32,500. Clear? Now next year we will provide depreciation. So 2019 March 31st by debt account. Machine A 4 lakh 10% depreciation 40,000. Sorry, B machine, and for C 2 lakh 10% 20,000, and for half year so 10,000 50,000. Clear? Make a total 2 lakh 80. 2019 March 31st to balance CG. Write both the balance over here B machine. Okay, just make it total. $280 minus 32 500. So 247 500. So I hope these numericals are clear to you. Solve it, and in the next class we will study straight line method of calculation of depreciation. Thank you.